I would just explain the basics of this interface of Isaac website to you. Once until and unless the downloading process of our image set is going on. So what we will do is, first of all, you can say there is a section which, as you can see, is known as log off. There, once you enroll for the first time, it will be login. Login, there you will have to provide the basic email number one, the email ID from which you will be registered to the Saptarishi India asteroid search campaign, and also there will be a password. This password will not be the password of your email, but it will be the exclusive team password that will be provided to you by the Isaac authorities. So once you enter your email, your registered email of the campaign plus the password that is being provided to you by these Isaac authorities, you are sure shot eligible to log inside this interface. Now, once you log in into it, you will again be redirected to the home tab. Don't worry, what you have to do is you just have to go to the campaigns part. Over the campaigns part, as the login is going on, so I am just waiting for it because the net is a touch slow. So what I will do is I will just reconnect the entire network, and let me see. I am just going to the campaigns tab, and yes, it's showing the signs of connectivity. Yes, it has connected. So there you can see the different campaigns with the number of teams listed. So once the campaign of our team also starts, it will be Ignited Minds Kayak, WIPNet, Saptarishi India Asteroid Search Campaign with 10 number of teams that will be listed. But for a time being, as we are a part of International Asteroid Search Campaign, I will just have to click over it to show you the basic interface. There, I have to browse for my team, as you will be browsing for your team. So my team is Saptarishi India, and let me see where is that Saptarishi India. So I think that I have browsed down too much. Now here comes Team Saptarishi. Now, once we click over the Team Saptarishi, there you can see Welcome Team Saptarishi to International Asteroid Search Campaign. Now, once our campaign starts, it will be Welcome Team WIPNet 1, Welcome Team WIPNet 2, the name that is given to that team, to the Ignited Minds Kayak WIPNet Saptarishi India Asteroid Search Campaign. So, the entire logo will be changed, and yes, we are one united by the tricolor, the Indian flag. So, once you are inside this basic interface of your team, it will provide you number one, the quick start guide, how to work. Now, even if I am there to explain to you, but still Isaac is so liberal to provide you all the details. Then second one, the configuration file. Yes, the software, it is basically used for astrometry and photometry. So, but you will be doing basically the blinking of the images and other few things. So, for that particular work of which you are going to use this entire interface of Astrometrica, what basically should be the configuration. So this is the configuration file of that. Now here comes the important part. The image set name, download part, you can see downloaded and report submitted. So once an image set is provided to you, image set means this is that image set of the FITS file, FITS format that you will be getting of this kind. So here in this you will receive it. Then you have to click over the download part. To download over it, you will receive a zip file. First and foremost thing that you have to do is you have to unzip it. And once you download your image set, this downloaded one, it will give you a tick mark, giving you a signal, yes, they have been downloaded. Now once downloaded, you analyze them in Astrometrica and see these are the number of image sets that you will be receiving for 1 month on a weekly basis or on an updated basis. 2 or 3 times or at maximum 4 times or 5 times you will receive the image sets. Now there you have to select that image set for which you have done the analysis. Be very careful as the image sets are very lengthy. So double scrutinize them before selecting any image set to work with. Then the third part is the citizen scientist. There you can add the name of your citizen scientist group or the people who are in your team. We will teach you slowly how to add the citizen scientist name, and even in the guide also the citizen scientist part has been provided. Now the last part and the most crucial part is the Minor Planets Center MPC report. Whatever analysis that you have done for your image sets in Astrometrica software, the entire report that will be generated, it will be put into this MPC report. And once you put everything over it, you have browsed for that, you have put the correct image set here, you just have to submit the report. Once the report is submitted, what happens is a tick will be generated here also for the report submitted. And this is the entire process, what it is all about. Then you can peacefully log off and then you can move on to the next image set whenever and wherever you like. But the only rider or the only caution that I would just like to caution you is, number one, the desktop or the laptop which you are using, it should be Windows operated. Number two, the net connectivity, it should be present, because Astrometrica report submission and its generation, it will take place, and once the report is generated, then you would preferably like to submit it immediately. So you will require a real-time net connectivity also. And third one is, don't dedicate too much time, 24 hours no, but at least be prepared in the beginning to dedicate 1 or 2 hours for this dedicated work. Once your eyes are accustomed to analyzing the image, it will surely take very little period of time to analyze the entire image sets that will be provided to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.